in this question, we're asked how many moles we have if we have a certain number of oxide ions. So again, we'll start by putting all of our information on our sheet. We put the number of oxide ions we have here, so we write that out. And then, as usual, when we're talking about moles and ions or moles and atoms, we need Avogadro's number. In this case, Avogadro's number's units will change a little bit. We'll talk about the units being ions per mole rather than atoms per mole. Once you have this written out, you can see that if you're after moles, if the question is asking you for moles, you're going to need to divide the number of ions by Avogadro's number in order for the ions to cancel out. So we'll just write this a little bit more clearly. We'll write Avogadro's number underneath the number of ions. And again, keeping those units to be, in this case, ions per mole. And now you can see clearly what's happening to the units here. The ions cancel out, and we have 1 over moles coming up to the top to give us an answer in moles. So now we just do the math. Our numerical answer is written here. Again, remember your units, so we've got to write that this is moles. And finally, the significant figures will be 3 in this case, from the quantity 9.72.